So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, we're gonna discuss how you can use your noise smartwatch as a camera shutter for your mobile application for your mobile. Like if you are clicking an image from your device, but you have to stand far a distance away from your device, you can use your smartwatch as a camera shutter. If you click it from there, the photos has been automatically taken in your smartphone. So for do that, you need to install an application of called NoiseFit. You can download it from Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Once you download it, for first of all you need to pair your device with this mobile application if you are using it for the first time. Now whenever you after you pay this is the home page. You're gonna find here on the most below of the list, you're gonna find 4 5 options which says home, challenges, friends, shop and my device. You need to click on this option of my device. When you click there, here you need to scroll down until you find an option of camera shutter. You're gonna see it's just right there only. Just simply click there. Once you do that, it may allow you for the permission of camera. Once you allow it, here you're gonna see the your camera has been enabled, and from here you can just simply using your noise smartwatch, simply click the images using this mobile application. You can see whenever I touched my smartwatch, it is going to be capturing the image on my gallery. So by this method, you can easily use your noise smartwatch as a camera shutter for your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.